Try and get it to bed. Don't tell her which one.
Pick it! Oh, lady, baby got the lady. Oh, 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 she got a lady. Yeah.
Natalie, now try to give Dad the old lady.
I want me to get a picture.
All right,
No,
hold your
no
cards.
pictures.
No, it's my
Madeline,
turn
hold
to
your two
pick.
cards.
It's my turn to pick.
Don't tell
here.
Daddy which one it is. Try and get him to pick it.
Which one do I pick? Should I pick this one?
This one.
This one? This one's a good one?
Yes. Pick it.
Let me have it.
No.
You have to let me take the card.
Natalie, let Daddy pick the old lady. Let him pick it. Don't show him. Turn it around so he can't see them.
Here, let me pick a card.
Okay, Madeline.